Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. A little bench update for you today. We've got a hobby shop haul as well as a mail call, and I got a little information on a sponsor update. So stick around. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. Okay, first up, what we picked up at the hobby shop today. Right off the bat, I knew Amanda was going to need some primer, so I picked up some Tamiya Fine Surface Primer for hers because she's going to be painting her engine probably tomorrow. I'll fill you in on some of that at the end of the video. And I was out of TS82. This is the Tamiya Rubber Black, and if you have not tried the Rubber Black, this stuff looks awesome. The tires on the modified, I was a little bit low, and I went ahead while I was there, just picked up 2 cans, so stockpile that just a little bit. And since Amanda had hers and I got looking through mine, I'm using mine up pretty good, so I picked me up another set of the sanding sticks from Stevens. These are really cool, and if you don't remember from the last time, you've got a 100, 180, 240, 320, 400, 600, 800 grit. And I use the daylights out of these things, and you've got them in different shapes too. But these are my favorites right here. And I did pick up something I've never picked up there before, and that is these swizzle stick sanders from Stevens. And these are the same grits, 100, 820, 240, well, up to 400 on these. But they're really small. There's 3 each. And I have used these before, but not the Stevens brand. And I didn't have this big a variety of grits. So I'm looking forward to these. You can get into some really tight spaces, and these are really good sanding sticks. If they're anything like their big brothers there, these are going to be worth their weight at the workbench too, and I'll probably be picking up more of those. Also, they were closing out, and they've got a huge, if you're near Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies, as soon as you walk in the door, to the right on the counter is a huge container with the testers, the old testers paints. They're clearing out some of those. And I went through there just real quick. I need to go back when I have more time and go through them again. I picked up another bottle of the British Crimson, which is a good kind of leathery red for interiors. This is really good stuff. This was the only acrylic I got. The others were, let's see, this is the graphite metallic gray. This is really sharp over dark primer. This is a gorgeous metallic paint. I've done a car in the past. I'll see if I can dig that one out and show it to you, but it is just a beautiful, beautiful color. I want to see if I can find a couple more of these, but I need to have a little more time, like I said, to go through the box. Also, another one I'd love to get my hands on a few more bottles of this. This is the old Federal Standard colors, intermediate blue, which is kind of a gray blue flat. This is one of my favorite interior color paints too, because it goes with a lot of stuff. But the intermediate blue, I want to try to go through and find a few more of those. And I did lay my hands really quick on some of this Arctic blue metallic Model Master, and guys, this over a silver or gold, well, I've even put it over a white base. This is gorgeous. It's Arctic blue metallic. It's kind of a medium metallic blue, but well, depending on what your base coat is. But this is just gorgeous stuff. So when I saw that, I had to scarf that up too. So I grabbed those, and also got some new Pegasus stuff in. And got over there and picked these up. These are the Fat Daddies. I think these things are really cool. Check that out. And I'm thinking on one of my other... These look more like what would be on the Hippie Dude hot sauce truck, if that's what I end up doing with it. And went ahead and got... And these are 23s, by the way. And picked up a set of the 19-inch. And by the way, Pegasus makes these brakes and brake calipers in 19 and 23 inch. They also make them in bare plastic versus the plated So if you wanted to paint them yourself, I tone these down a little bit and paint the calipers. But you've got them in, again, 19 and 23 inch that go along with the wheels and tires. And something else I had not seen in there before were these Anson. I mean, check those out. Are those not just beautiful? The chrome work is great. Just a light wash around the lugs, and these things are ready to go on, man. I mean, these are really good looking wheels, and the tires, and those are rubber tires. Great tread, good looking tires. And these are just the old school 15 inch. Love them. So I had to have a set of those too. And that's the haul from the hobby shop. And let me get this stuff out of the way. And let's take a look at what we got in the mail. First off, we got a Christmas card, our first of the season, from anybody really. And this is from Jamie G's. So Jamie over at Jamie G's Scale Model Garage. Beautiful card. Love the house and the car. Just fitting. Jamie, thank you so much for the well wishes for the holidays and the beautiful card. Absolutely awesome. Appreciate it very much. And we got a package from my buddy Jeff Young. And we're going to take a look at this thing real quick here. Hold on. Well, did I get a dull? Oh, you trying to use the back of the knife. That don't usually work very well. Let me get this thing cut open here and see what Jeff, well, I know what it is. He already told me what he was sending. And as I'm opening it, I'll tell you a little story. As a police officer, my nickname was always Batman from the guys. And so Batman, I had stickers on my car, on my patrol cars, and several other cars. And Jeff had an old kit that he wanted to send me, and I didn't know which one it was. Oh, I know which one this is, the Batmobile. And this is the one, I've done a couple of them that have, yeah, this is a 66. I have not done one that has the engine. I've done the one that was both the pro finish kind of thing, the pre-painted, as well as the, I don't think I have this kit. And I don't know why I don't, but, well, I do now. But this has got the engine, and the trunk area opens where you can see the back of the turbine thing there, and, oh, this is cool. Jeff, thank you, brother. Yeah. I tell you what, that old Barris Batmobile, it was hard to beat that thing. It was just a unique design off of the Futura. And let me see if I can find yeah, I see them down there, the bats that go in the centers. And there's a tire right there. These are hollow like the like a real tire. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Yeah, check that out. Is that not wicked? Jeff, thank you so much. The Batmobile. I have all kinds of things Batman, as do my brothers from that nickname too. And you know, I didn't notice this, but these doors look like they could be opened pretty easily. Oh, food for thought. All right, guys. That is awesome. The Batmobile. Again, Jeff, thank you, bud. Guys, I want to share something else with you, too. I have been remiss in something, and that is MCV products. At the opening of my videos, on all the videos, I have MCV products there because I really love Matthews products. The quality of the stuff is absolutely off the chain. It's really good stuff. But I have not reminded you. He was telling me I did once. I don't remember it. I'll have to go back and find that video. But for a 10% discount on any purchase from MCV products, just simply put in HobbyDude10. That's HobbyDude10 for 10% off of your orders. That helps him out and gives you a little bit of a discount. And you're going to get a product that is going to step your model up. Hey, Bring your model to life with MCV products. All right, guys, that's it for this one. God bless. Oh, before I go, let me tell you this. Got an update on the 40 modified. I finally got a little bit more done on it. I will give you just a quick update on that probably in the next day or so. Before Thanksgiving, Amanda's got her engine almost together. Well, together, but some stuff drying. We'll get some primer on that. Let you. I'm going to actually try to get her to do that on camera, and maybe even get some paint on there before we do that video. But hey, I'm trying to get her while she's still motivated to do it, because I know with the holidays coming, she is going to stay so busy that this is going to get put off till probably first of the year. So I would like her to at least try to get at least the engine totally finished, because that's going to motivate her a little bit more once she has a finished segment of the car. But we'll see about that. We'll see. I think that's it for right now, guys. Again, hope y'all have an awesome Thanksgiving. I'll probably have, again, another video up before Thanksgiving, but hey, just in case, God bless. All right, love you guys. Talk to you later. Have a great one.